Hello friends, welcome to our lecture number 14. This is almost our lecture number 14 of our free course DIALux Evo. I will check first what is the lecture number. I do not remember exactly the lecture number. It is lecture number 15 of our free course DIALux Evo. And till we have reached to this point, and we have also made in the previous lecture we have made a CTR. You can see we have made this here in the last lecture, and in today's lecture we will work on outside the house, outside the building. Some we will create a wall outside around the building, and we will create a pathway also around the building, a sort of a small park for playing the children's. These things will be covered in this lecture, and we will also make this outer to look like that, like the first floor, ground floor, and the this floor should be of the same texture. So we can also cover this in this lecture. And let us start the lecture and start making these things. We was when I opened the DIALux Evo, we were at this point, and you can click on the side. This is the side tab. You can see this is the side one, and you can click and you will go to this point. Now here you can first of all go here, that is the materials tab, and click on the materials tab, and then click on the select, then go to catalog, and then material catalog, double click on that, and select the texture you already has applied on the previous, that is ground floor. This is the texture, and click apply, and then close this, and then click apply material, and we start applying the material, and click again apply, and this, then click again apply this way, and you can select also like this. 1 minute, we can move this like this, click select the apply and apply like this. On this side we can apply the material. 1 minute, we can apply one by one to all sides, and then to this point. Okay, you can zoom it a little bit and apply here the material. You can also apply to this point. Okay, now coming to this, and this, now we have applied on ground floor and first floor the same texture. Now we will start making a, first of all we will start making a pathway around the building. You can see we do not have the drawing of the pathway. What is the width of the pathway? So we can assume here, we can select any type of pathway, we can create any type of pathway, but I will show you some tricks now how you can select the pathway so that they come in the line. For that you can go to here, that is the help lines and labeling tab, and from here select the draw reference line, and then you can suppose you are going to create from here. This is the edge of the building. Click here and like extend like this. Okay, and you can do one more thing. You can extend to this end point. Similarly, you can draw one more reference line from here, and then you can do like this. From here you can zoom it, can extend to this point. Okay, and now here you can draw on all sides the reference lines like this, so that your pathway will be straight in line. You can extend it like this, uh, and here you can create one more. I can do like this. Okay, be in drawing, uh, during working on the drawings you should have a patience, because drawing is not a thing in which you can take a hurry. You will be not be in hurry. So we will start from this point. I think this that much of pathway is okay, or should I take more high width? Okay, I will keep this one. I will only here to teach you how you can create the pathway. Then you can select as per your need. I can select like this. I think it is more than, so I can escape this. I can select like this. Okay, then here you can select, no, it is very small. We will take like this, and then I will draw one more here. Like this. We can also change, we can move it. You can select it, like move it like that, and little bit I can move it like this. I can move it like this, and here we can move it like this. Okay, but I think now it is okay. Almost, it is almost at all sides are equal. Almost okay. Yeah, almost all sides are now equal. Now I will go to the side tab, and from here select the draw rectangular floor element, and first of all I will make on the four corners like this. Now you can select here the height, and the position is, you can add the position, you can keep here 0, and here you can point 0.1 is okay. Okay, now you can right click and or select it like this, and here you can select the move, or you can do one more thing. First of all you can escape it, then control C. First to select like this, first to select this, then press control C, it will be copied, then control V, that is pasted down. We can move this to reach this like this. That is a little bit difference in the. Now we can do one more thing. We can go back to this point, and we can adjust this reference line like this. Okay, now I will go to back to the site tab. This is the, and select this, and control C, press control C and control V. Now move to this point. You can see from this side it is little bit inside, so we can do one more thing. We can go to back to reference and select this line, then move like, zoom it a little bit so that easily like this. Now I can right click, go to back to side tab, that is the side tab, and then select this, control C and control V. Then you can see now everything. I think now all sides are fit of same size, same dimensions. Now we have to only make them, control C control V, can make this like this. You can also move these by like, okay. Now make another, okay. Now make another, like you are going to make one by one, like that. Pressing control C and control V, you are going to make one by one these, control C and control V, and this one by one. See, here the dimension is not, the gap is here more. You can change it like this little bit, no problem. One tile is more, and here you can, now you can go here, control C and control V, and move like this, and control C and control V. Okay, you understand now how to create the pathway. I will complete the pathway first. We will make little speedy this. Now we have made the pathway, we have completed the pathway. Now we will see in 3D how this looks. You can see the pathway is created on all sides of the building. Now we can do one more thing. We can remove these reference lines now. They are not needed now. We can remove these lines. Okay. Now we see these are the paths. This is the pathway. Oh, this is the pathway. Now you can see a little pathway is created around the house. Now we can do one more thing. We can also change the color of the pathway. For that, you should go to the construction tab, select the construction, select it. You can go and change the material. Suppose we will select for the pathway the material, double click on the catalog and select which one we will select this one, or I will see different if there is any different. Mm, these are the interior. We can go to outdoor and see the, maybe not getting it right. We will select this one. Let this one will be selected and apply. Then close and apply material. 1 minute. I will select this again. Apply material here. No. Apply material here. One by one, we will apply the material to all these boxes. You can see the boxes are little bit aligned. I think that. Okay, you can now you have the and now we put the extra on that. That's not issue. You can check as well and then use what I have on show how you can see this. Then you have to do oh, close up. This one. Then this mouse is not so tight. It's not there. Okay, we'll complete this. First of all, then I'll show. Okay, now it looks very different, very good as compared to previous now. Okay, now in the second thing is that now we will make a one more thing. this is our entrance, and we want to make a entry path here, and here I want to make a small park. For that we have to create a partition here. Then after that we will make a park here of greenery, and this remaining portion we will also add a greenery. So for that, what we can do first of all, we can take the reference lines again, and we will take the reference lines again. I will select that portion so that our reference line, like from this point, this up to, we will create that much of width of path, entry path. Okay, then we will go to the side tab and select draw rectangular floor, and from this point to this point we will make a concrete rectangular path, entry path. Okay, and I will select the same 0 here and same this one, and we can now remove these reference lines, and I will see. Now see, one thing is that our path, that is this path, this is the path of entry path, is outside our site plan, site area. So we can first of all change the site area. We can select like this and like this. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute, like this. We can match it completely with this entry path, like in zoom it little bit so that it will be very good to see in position. Okay, now it is completely in position, but from this side it is little bit like this we have to do, and from, now it is perfect. Okay, now we can see from the 3D. See, this is the path of entry path. We can change the texture of this path. We can first of all go to this and select the texture, which texture we will use for the path. I think for the path I will select this one. Okay, apply and close. Right, I will scooting. I think we will little bit like this and apply it. Now see. Okay, very nice thing. Yeah. After that, now we will make a partition, little bit partition here for the park area. We will create a one partition from this side, on this side, so that the a small park for the children will be created. For that, I will go to the this tab. This tab is called the. I will select first this tab. This tab is furniture and objectives. From here, I will select the draw extrusion body. First of all, I will go to here, and here we have to make this. So here I will select the draw extrusion body, and for extrusion body, height is okay, 1 meter. We can change this height. So we can kept this height 0.5, and from here we can go like this, from this point, like this point. Okay, I will touch with this point. This is length is I will later on change if this length is large. Here I will do like this, and like this, and then close polygon. Okay, now you can see the in 3D what has been created. Okay, I think the partition length is more. We can change the width little bit. It should be around what I think 4 inches is okay. 1.50. Okay, now it is okay. You can see, but this gap is more, so we can change it like this. We can right click and move like this. Now see in 3D. Okay, this is the gap is for water removing. The water during rainy seasons will go out, and this portion will be, we made this portion for the, we'll make this portion for what is called the arc area. Now we have created this thing. See, okay, the partition. Now we will make a around this this what is called the plant, out of the side we can make a one, that is this one wall around this uh, house. That will be covered in the next video. I think that video length has been very much. Now in the next video we will create a wall around this, and we will also add here the greenery and some plants, and okay.